So here we're going to simplify the left-hand side. That's going to be in add-like terms. We have two x terms, 5x and a minus 3x. So 5x is minus 3x's. That makes 2x's. We still have the constant term plus 6 there. And then the right-hand side all cleaned up. Now, if we're following the pattern from the last time, we do want x's on one side or the other. Let's just say we want x's on the left, which means we don't want this 2x right here. So we're going to subtract 2x's from both sides. Similar thing happened as the last time. So check it out. 2x minus 2x, no more x's, just the 6 on the left-hand side, and then the right-hand side, no more x's, which is what we wanted, and then just a 6 there. Now, on the last one, we had like 12 equals negative 5. Here we have 6 equals 6. Well, that's true. Always. It doesn't change, in real numbers, 6 always equals 6, which basically means any value of x will be a solution for this equation up here at the top. So sometimes your teachers will say just write infinite solutions. You can use the sideways 8 stands for infinity. Some computers, they'll just have you do 2 lowercase o's. So different ways of saying infinite solutions.